Hey, it's Valentine's Day, and what better way to celebrate it than to prepare a nice dinner for your significant other and make a great cocktail. So today I'm going to show you 3 delicious recipes perfect for Valentine's Day. We have one fruity, one fizzy, and one shot. So you can choose one or make all 3, I leave it up to you. And now let's start making our cocktails. So the first cocktail of the day is French kiss, because what's the point in Valentine's Day if there's no kissing? Especially French. I know what you're thinking. So this one's really tasty, creamy, fruity. We got all the nice ingredients here. We got cream, vodka, blackberry liqueur, and some creme de cacao. And of course we're going to start with vodka, 30 ml, 1 ounce. Followed by blackberry liqueur, 30 ml, 1 ounce. Followed by 15 ml, half an ounce of white creme de cacao. And for the creamy part, we got 30 ml, 1 ounce of cream. Now we need ice. And we are going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we have a pre-chilled glass here. And we are going to strain the cocktail into our pre-chilled glass. And of course, garnish with some blackberries. And that's it, ladies and gents. French kiss. Cheers! Now the second cocktail for Valentine's Day is called Sweet Surrender. Sounds great, tastes even better. Of course, like always, it's easy to make, it's delicious, and let's make Sweet Surrender. First, take your champagne flute and rub some orange on the rim of the flute and dip it in sugar. That's it, perfect. Now the first 2 ingredients, which are orange juice and peach liqueur, need to be shaken to chill them just a little bit. So we need 1 ounce of orange juice and half an ounce of peach liqueur. Add some ice, just a little bit, and give it a quick shake. Beautiful. Now we're going to strain this into our champagne flute. Top this up with your sparkling white wine of your choice. And garnish with a piece of orange. And that's it, ladies and gents. We made a sweet surrender. Cheers! And for the last drink, we had some hot stuff, because what's the point in the Valentine's Day if there's nothing hot about it? So if you want something hot and spicy, to spice things up, I'm going to show you how to make one real easy shot. It's called Red Hot Pancakes. All we need is 2 ingredients, tequila rose and some cinnamon whiskey. We're going to start with tequila rose. 20 mils. Followed by cinnamon whiskey, 20 mils. Add some ice. And give it a quick shake. Beautiful. Strain the drink into a shot glass. And that's it, ladies and gents. Red hot pancakes. Cheers. Well, my friends, that's it. 3 delicious cocktails. We got one fruity creamy French kiss. We got one fizzy sweet surrender. We got one hot red hot panties. Real easy to make. Try to make it for a significant other and let them let me know in the comments below what they think about the cocktails that you made. Like always, thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. I wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.